Let's talk about these Wrangler jeans, rigs, workwear that I have been wearing at work, and they are super comfortable and definitely something that I like to wear all day long without any issues of feeling like I have restriction in my legs or in my waist. So let me put these on and show you what they're all about. Now, I am a size 34, 32, and I could say that these jeans fit true to that measurement. You've got 3 pockets up front, 2 pockets up back. You can see there's not that much play here, which I do like. I still like a little bit of play because if you gain a little weight, you got some movement. But it's nice because if I have to go down on the ground, put some tile in, grab some tools, do whatever I'm doing, I don't have that restriction in the knees and the waist because I have a little bit of play inside the waistline. Now, the bonus is you have this little leather patch right here that is perfect. So if you have your measuring tape on your right pocket, it's not going to eat away at the stitching because most of my past jeans, that's the first thing that starts going. These pockets are super deep. They go down to about here. So you're able to fit a large phone and plenty of other things inside there. Overall, really great product and definitely would recommend it to anybody looking for a new set of work jeans. Let me turn around and show you what they're about. The biggest takeaway is that if you're looking for a really good quality pair of jeans that are going to last for a while, that are comfortable, if you're working outside in an attic or in a basement, these are the jeans for you. Go out, grab a pair. I know I'm not disappointed, and I think you won't be either. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.